When you got married, did you continue to speak Yiddish at any points?
Not really. It was sort of quiescent for quite a while. And then when my own two children were going to day school, they went to Bialik as well. That's when the vice principal, who I knew quite well, she was the daughter of a friend of my father's from the Borchov school where he was the cultural director. She called and asked me if I would teach Yiddish. And I said, really? I was trained to be a high school English teacher, not a Yiddish teacher, although I grew up speaking Yiddish and I remember writing Yiddish as a child. And I grew up with a Yiddishist, but my background was not as a Yiddish teacher. So that's when I said, okay, I'm brushing up on the Yiddish again. So I went back to the little basic books and the primers, and I still have some of them. And I created lesson plans in Yiddish. And it was wonderful. It was actually wonderful to revisit it. And it was fun. And that's when I started to teach Yiddish. And I asked for, if they were going to give me an assignment for teaching Yiddish, please keep it to the younger grades. So I taught Yiddish in grades 3 and 4 for several years. I had to teach basic grammar. So I created little songs for the verbs. Now, how do you teach English-speaking kids who have no background in Yiddish the way I had Yiddish? So I would create a little song. This is my own little creation, the verb to be. Ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist, mir seinen, ihr seid, sie seinen. And then we just repeated it over and over again. And it's easy, right? You could do it. And then I would also teach some of the simple Yiddish songs about weather, rain, snow, and a simple holiday song in Yiddish to the kids. And I try to make it fun, because if you don't make it fun, forget it. You've lost their attention and they're going to throw notes or whatever.